Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to enable automatic car mode on Audible. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to enable automatic car mode on Audible. Maybe you're a person who prefers listening to books or podcast while you're driving than songs. So you want the app to automatically connect to your car's Bluetooth so that you could listen to books and podcasts on your car, or it could be any other reason for you to enable the automatic car mode on Audible. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Audible app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Audible app to open it. Once the app gets open, first it will just take a while to load its page, and once it gets loaded, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have its logo, search section, and we have some books, or you could say podcast, because we are in the home section, therefore we could see all these things. Other than that, we have this library section. In this section, if you have saved something, it will appear here related to your content, and in this section you could go and discover different Audible books, or you could say podcasts that get posted on this app. Other than that, we have this fourth option. With the help of that, you could get into a profile, and its also name is profile and has a profile icon. Once you tap on it, will just take a while, and after that you will get into your profile. There you will find some information related to your account and some other options, as well as we have another option at the top. This one is the settings icon. You just have to simply tap onto that option so that we could get into it. First, you will read the title of settings, and there you will find some option. Every option here is different from each other and performs its own specific task in the app. So from all these options, what you have to do is that you just have to simply go for the second option, which says player. As you can see, this is a second option. Just simply tap onto that option, and then we will get into that option. Once you come here, first you will read the title of player, and then again you will find bunch of option. Every option here is different from each other. So if you want to search for the automatic car mode, you have to scroll down to the down of the page, and there you will see this option which says automatic car mode. Right now it is disabled. That means if you sit in a car, it will not automatically connect to its Bluetooth. But if you enable it, and if you go to the car, your Audible app will open your mobile phone's Bluetooth and will automatically connect it to your car's Bluetooth. Therefore, you don't have to do it manually, it will do it on its own. You can either play it or you could disable it, it's all up to you. You just have to simply tap onto that option. It might get disabled, and if you again tap on it, it might get enabled. It's all up to you. You can keep any one of these options, whatever you prefer. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can enable automatic car mode on Audible. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.